Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to MySQL tutorial for beginner. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a database in MySQL Workbench. So first of all, let's go over here in the Windows option and let's search over here MySQL Workbench. This all, I'll just click on it and it will open a Workbench. So here I'm going to use this one. So I'll just click here. And also I click here, it will ask for a password. Let's give the password. Let me just save it and click OK. And there you can see currently we are in the Workbench. So here, in order to create a table, we need to write this code. So we need to say here create, then database, and after that you need to give your database name. Whatever the name you want to give. Let's say our database name will be first_db. You can name it anything, and here you can see I give all the letter as capital, but MySQL is not case sensitive. You can give smaller letter or upper letter, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, and here this will be our database name. So in order to create the database, we write the command, and one more thing, that is always make sure that you end the line with a semicolon. So right now, in order to create this database, here you can see we have an icon over here, a thunderstorm icon kind of. So we need to click on this, and there you can see created database first_db. So here you can see we have created our database, but where can we see the database come? So here you can see administration and schemas. Just click on schemas, and here you can see this reload button just beside the schemas. Just refresh it or click on it, and there you can see we have a database name over here, first_db. And so we are able to successfully create our database. So right now we need to write a code so that we can use this database. Why we need to write a code in order to use a database? Because there might be multiple database over here. So we need to mention which database we need to use. So for it, we need to say here use first_db, use and your database name, which is first_db. And after writing this, just run this, and here you can see use first_db. It means if we create any table, it will be uploaded in this database, because over here you might have multiple database, right? And instead of using this command, there is one more way you can do the same thing, and that is just click on this database, and here you can see you need to click here set as default schema, and it will basically do the same thing as use first_db. So right now, let's say you want to drop this database. So how can we drop this database? So in order to drop this, what we need to do is we need to say here drop database, and then you need to give your database name, and which is first_db, and indeed with a semicolon. And after writing this, we need to click on this. Just click over here, and there you can see drop database first_db, and there is no database. And there is a few more things that I would like to show you. So for it, let's go and create our database again. So we're going to say here create database. Let's say first_db. You can give different name. Let's click over here, and there you can see database is created. So let me just refresh, and there you go. Now let's talk about database order. So what is database order? Let's say we set our database order as read only. It means you won't be able to, or no one will be able to modify the data in the database, but you will be able to read the data. For example, let's say here order database, then we'll give our database name, which is first_db. Then we are going to set it as read only, and we'll say here equal to on. It means we'll be able to read the data from the database table, but we won't be able to modify our database. So after that, if we run it, there you can see order database first_db read only equal to on. So we will only be able to read this database. We won't be able to modify it. So for example, if we try to drop it, we will not be able to drop the database. Let's say over here drop database, and it will be first_db. And right now, if we just run it, we'll get an error from database first DB. There you can see we have a pause icon here, error code, schema first DB is in read-only mode. So right now, if you want to cancel the order so that you can drop the database, so for it, you need to say here order database, our database name, which is first DB, and here we're going to say read only, and this time we're going to set the value as 0. And if we now run this, there you can see that order database first DB read only equal to 0 this time. So right now we'll be able to drop our database. So here we're going to say drop database first DB, and if we now run it, there you can see drop database is successful. We have this T sign over here. So this was all basic about database. So in the next tutorial, we're going to see how we can create debugging for database. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.